Hi guys, welcome back to my channel ZENIALIFESTYLE Lifestyle. Today in this video I'm gonna share with you all three cute super easy hairstyle for college, offices, etc. So enough of blabbering much, let's get started. To start with any look, firstly I'm applying leave-on serum here just to make my hair shiny and smooth. Now for the first hairstyle, we will start by taking a middle parting, as you can see. After that, take a thin section from the front, separate that and start twisting it towards the back like this. Twisting it properly, add some little hair from the front and just add up with the previous one, and do this step 2 to 3 couple of times. Twist it properly and secure it with a tic tac or bobby pin towards inward. As you all can see, it will look so chic and stylish, guys. Repeat this same process on the other side of the parting. Knead your hair with your hands or comb. Twist it properly. Add some hair from the front. Do it 2 to 3 times and twist it properly. Now again secure it back with the help of bobby pin or any tic tac pin. Now pull some hair from the front. This is how it looks, guys. It is super easy and really looks so cute, so classy, as you all can see. I hope you all will like it. Now again for the second look, we just have to separate the section of the hair from the one side. Smoothen the section with the hand. Braid it normally like this. We just have to make a simple braid. Secure it with any rubber band. Now wrap this braid around your head like this. It will like a headband braid, and secure it with the bobby pin on the other side. That's how it done, guys. It looks so cute, so stylish. I'm just loving it. This is so cute now, guys. And now for the third one, knead all your hairs from the comb first. Now you just have to separate the section from both sides of the parting like this. Now take some hair from the back to make a poof. Smoothen it from the comb. Make a smooth poof and secure it with pin. Now knead your hair with your hands and twist the remaining hair twist it properly like this. And pin, secure it with pin. Now do the same thing on the other side like this. Knead your hair and twist it properly. Now again secure it with bobby pin. And it will look so cute, guys. Believe me, this hairstyle is my favorite. It will look so cute, and I hope you all will like all the 3 hairstyles. If you like, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Zenia Lifestyle. Lots of love, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.